So this is the flagship of Samsung S22 Galaxy S22 Ultra. So this is also the phone this is the first Galaxy phone which comes with inbuilt S Pen, and that is one of the best attraction that makes people to stick to Samsung, and also its Note series. Now as the Samsung has discontinued Note 20 Ultra, but was the last Note series which comes with the S Pen, and so this is the first one. After Note 20 they came with Galaxy S21, which didn't have its inbuilt S Pen, but it was S Pen supported, external S Pen with case with S Pen holder. And yeah, so this is I just bought it from one of the store in Dera. This is made in Korea for Korea, so it's in Korean language by default, but it's not a problem, we can change it. And it is an Exynos version. I did some research with some of the videos in YouTube about the Snapdragon or Exynos version, and I came to know that in multi-core this Exynos, it has got more cores, so it's better in terms of heavy gaming and all, like video editing. So, and also somewhat of battery efficiency. That's the reason I got the Exynos version, which is also a little bit cheaper, I found. I don't know what is the reason. Maybe it is cheaper, but yeah, this is what it comes with inside. So and it's very slim. It's just one single SIM card, no dual SIM. So this is how it comes. I already opened it, but I can repack it for the unbox. So this is the white color. It's very cool, and I haven't removed the plastic yet. So this is how it looks, 100x zoom, and I already charged it for like 100%. 5G KT, I don't know, I think it stands for Korean something. I just installed CPU-Z to check about the chipsets and all internal specifications. So ARM is what you call it's another name for Exynos. It's not Snapdragon. So ARM, and it has got 8 cores, and I don't know, GPU render is Qualcomm. Yeah, GPU is Qualcomm Adreno, but CPU is not Qualcomm. It is I heard in some of the articles that Exynos may be allied with AMD graphics technology, GPU technology or something, and then made it more versatile in terms of gaming. You can see the device is Samsung S. So if from the box you want to distinguish if it is it's difficult actually to check if it is Exynos or Snapdragon. I recommend everyone to go with Exynos version of S22 Ultra, because I checked in a lot of comparison videos, and this is my Note 10 Plus, which is around, like, I'm using it for like I think 3 years or 2 years maybe, yeah, and it's working fine, and it's Exynos. It's amazing actually. It's still a beast, performance wise, everything, video editing and all. I have done so many of the renders using this, but I mean, in comparison with the S22 Ultra, in terms of the 3 generations of chipsets progression, this is most probably like twice or maybe even 3 times faster in terms of video and gaming and all processing. So this is Exynos 2200, I guess, and this is Exynos 9 something. Yeah, battery is 83. It gives all the thermals, so the maximum I can see is 36 degrees. If it's for CPU and sensors, and also I can show you the pen drive here. Yeah, the white comes with the black S Pen, and I'm sorry I didn't tell you about the model number. The model number is device, yeah, S908N. So if it is SMS908N, then it is Exynos. Hardware QCOM, I don't know what is that, and the screen size is 6.7. so screen density is 502, because I am using it in 4K. I think it's 4K resolution. Screen resolution is 1440 by 3088. So this is a 12 GB 256 12 GB RAM 256 storage version, and the price I paid for this is 3500 dirhams, which is 3500 dirhams is almost like $1100 maybe. Yeah, most probably $1100. So this has got the S Pen holder in the opposite side to that of the previous phones like Note 20, Note 10 Ultra, Note 10 Plus. Note 10 Plus used to have here. So this is the SIM tray. It just gets one SIM card, that's all. So these are the cameras modules. You can see from the size of the camera, it has got a small bump, 1 mm most probably. And the bump, you compare with the cameras here, the cameras in Note 10 Plus and Note S22 Ultra, it's big difference. This is a periscope zoom, which is the latest technology. I think it was introduced in Note 20 Ultra, and so this is capable of 100x zoom, which is, I think, it's somewhat digital, but 10x is the optical zoom. And this here telephoto Note 10 Plus had only 2x zoom, so you can imagine. And these are some proximity sensors and all. Flash is the middle one. I don't know what camera is this. I think it is macro. I don't know if it has macro. And these are the sensors. So this is I think the mic. This is also a mic and SIM tray. USB Type C speaker. I can see only one speaker here, but it's fine. You can use your headphone if you do. Yeah, this looks amazing. Actually, it's beautiful. My Note 10 Plus is more beautiful than that actually. So this is my beast phone of the year 2022. I'm taking this video from my S22 Ultra. So it comes with this leaflet also, and only this SIM ejector and this USB Type C to C cable, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Keep tuned. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye. Thank you.